Hi, I'm Sam, I'm a Bellami educator, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step of how to install Bellami clip-ins. So to start, I begin sectioning the hair. I always work in clean, straight sections. Think of it like a tape install. The way that we section for our tapes is going to be really similar to the clip-ins. So with my tapes, I always start an inch above the nape, same thing for the clip-ins. I use a little bit of hairspray, and then with my brush, I'm going to tease the hair so it gives it a really nice solid foundation for those clips to clip onto. So now we're going to begin to clip those extensions into place. We are working in this nape section still, so I'm using that two-piece clip-in. We're going to pop those clips open, secure them onto the foundation, and then clip them down and into place. It will feel nice and secure. So now we are working our way up the head. We're doing the same thing with every single section. What I will say is leave about an inch in between those rows and then repeat those steps. As you work your way up the head gets wider. So that's when you begin to incorporate your 3-piece, your 4-piece. And then once you start to work your way all the way round, that's when you might want to bring 2 wefts together. So you might do a 4-piece and a 3-piece, or even 2 4-pieces. So thinking about that idea of that tape install, again, replicating that with the clip-ins, you'll probably have about 2 2-pieces left, and that's what I'm going to use around the face. I will do it very visually. I'll see where that client needs it. If they have a heavier part, you might need to work higher up on one side, or if they have a nice clean middle part, you'll find that you can place them evenly on both sides. For my client today, we actually did use the whole full set of those clip-ins because she is on the thicker hair side. Your density is going to determine how much of that hair you use, and it's okay if you have some pieces left, because if they have finer hair, remember, Bellami always give you way more than you need, so it's fine if you've got a little bit left over. I hope that's been helpful, and thank you so much for watching.